Hello, welcome to Mba Straight Tech. Today I'm going to teach you how you can design a professional company logo using Meta AI. So let's go straight to the point.
Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mba Straight Tech, straight to the point tech.
Before we continue, let's check some logos. Look at this logo I did with Meta AI. Okay, also look at this one I did with Meta AI. So for you to achieve a logo like this who I've shown to you, you just need to copy or type something like this one. Let me paste it here. Do a 3D logo for, let me change this. Let's say for Citibank. Citibank. Put Citibank. Okay. So what you do to achieve this is that you just type what you need and Meta AI will generate it for you. So let's say give me a logo or 3D logo of my company named Citibank. Citibank. Okay. So when you type what you want, you take send and wait.
Please make sure to
See
like,
how
share,
Meta AI is doing the
comment, and
magic.
subscribe to our YouTube channel,
Okay,
Mba
they are
Straight Tech, straight to the
generating,
point tech.
generate. Boom, the logo is here. Oh my god, so amazing, so beautiful. You see the logo? You can still tell them to give another one. Give another one. Wow, see this one? Super beautiful. So when you achieve this, you can download and then you go to maybe any your editing app. You try to edit it a bit and remove this watermark here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Good thing is that you save time and cash, no need for graphic designers.